Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mich and for today, I will be sharing royal icing recipe. Okay? So we will be decorating butter cookies using royal icing. For the ingredients, I have here confectioner sugar, cream of tartar, egg whites, and my clear vanilla extract. So mix everything lang sa mixer. Your egg white, cream of tartar, confectioner sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix your royal icing medium speed at around 6 to 8 minutes. So, after 8 minutes, this is your royal icing. Diba? So, dapat stiff muna na consistency ang kunin nyo. Okay? Tapos, madali lang yan mag-dry out. So, kailangan divide na natin. If you will not use it now, cling wrap nyo para hindi siya mag-dry out. Okay? Okay? Check natin ha if it's 15 or 10 seconds na royal icing. Okay? Smooth mo muna siya. Tapos, you put a line. You count kung ilang seconds. If it's 15 or 10, na mawala yung line. See? It's 15. Okay? Yung counting nyo, if gusto nyo accurate, you can use timer. If pwede naman, you count lang per second. 1, yan. Diba? So, this is our 15-second royal icing. So, for this, lagyan natin siya ng yellow. Once you achieved the color, cling wrap nyo na. Okay? Kasi madali mag-dry out si royal icing. So, this is my butter cookies. And then, I'll be making lemon na themed cookie. So, I have light yellow, dark yellow, and white. So, for the light yellow, ito yung tinesting natin kanina. This is around 15 seconds royal icing. And then, also the white one is the 15 seconds royal icing. For the dark yellow, medyo stiff konti. Kasi siya yung pang-border ko. Okay? Tapos, you prepare damp cloth para dyan natin ilagay yung hindi pa natin gagamitin. Okay? So, let's start. And then, let it dry. So, if you want na mas stiff yung gitna, then go ahead, mas maliit na tip. Okay, next, let's do watermelon. So, I have green. Ito, si 15 seconds pa rin. And also the red. Tapos yung white is same kanina. Kay lemon. Okay? So, I'll start with the green. Ito muna. Para mas malinis yung pag-pipe mo, do not drag it na pa ganun. Wag. Let it hang lang. Ano lang yun sa kanya. Yan, so medyo dry na siya. Our royal icing cookie. Okay? By the way, guys, for the butter cookie recipe, nasa part 1 natin ha, because the royal icing is the part 2 ng video natin. Okay? Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!